The beaches here are gorgeous. They blow like the Jersey Shore out of the water.
I'm definitely a hands-on learner.
It's a lot different from the classes that I take at my college back in the States because, we don't have all the equipment that New York Film Academy has.
This is my first time working with filmmaking at all. First time directing, producing, writing.
Shooting my own film, it was a lot more than I anticipated. Now that I'm editing it and I'm seeing how everything comes together, I'm really proud of the end result. My favorite part of the program is probably going to the actual Village Roadshow Studios and filming there.
Pretty surreal being back there where all those huge movies have been made. Everybody out here is so friendly. New York Film Academy Australia is a great experience. I would definitely recommend it.